Welcome, here I've got ULEFONE Armor 5S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, now the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more advanced camera options, and here we have the camera mute button. By just one tap we can turn off the sound. So now when I take another picture, we can't hear anything, and of course we can turn it on when we need it by just tapping on the right corner and this button, and for now we can hear it again. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.